This is the last house in Royal Gardens on Big Island. Once a town of 200, now abandoned and completely destroyed by encroaching lava, but for one house and one man. Jack Thompson has been battling the volcano with sandbags and controlled fires for nearly 30 years, but the lava has since covered all the roads to the area, meaning he can only get there on foot or by helicopters, which regularly drop tourists off for a drink. Finally, though, Jack has admitted defeat. The lava is getting just too close, and on March 2nd he had to leave, although he's accepted it's time to move on.
A little bit of regret, a little bit of sorrow, a little bit of relief.
And not a moment too soon. This was the scene just the next morning.
It's like a funeral. This is just going to be a big piece of rock. I don't think anybody will be living up here anymore.